For set math practice, we are going to solve these two math in this video. Our topics: integer and fraction expressions. First question: simplify the expression. Before starting this math, we have to know about PEMDAS. So what is this? We already know about this one. First one is parenthesis. It means bracket, right? We have to work first parenthesis, second exponent, third, it means M and D, which one is come first, left to right, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction, which one come first, it means addition or subtraction. So here we have to work first parenthesis, this one and this one. So first here is minus 5 plus 7 square, it means this is the exponent. So parenthesis inside exponent, we have to work this one first. 7 square means 49. Third bracket 3 minus, and then minus 6 cube. So what does means? It will be what? First 6 cube. What is 6 cube? 6 cube will be 216, and here is a minus sign. Minus cube means minus 1, so it will be minus what? Minus 216. Bracket till not complete, but third bracket in here, plus here is minus 11 minus 2, it will be minus 13, and then here minus 8 minus 12, it means minus 4, right? Then 49 minus 5, it will be 45. Third bracket 3 minus and minus, once you multiply it will be plus 216 plus. Why plus? We cannot work based on this plus and minus, because this is bracket, also this is bracket. It means this minus and this minus will be multiplied, it will be plus. 13 times 4, it will be 52, right? Very simple. Next 44, and this is bracket 216 plus 3, it will be 219, and here is no sign, it means this is multiplication, plus 52. So once we multiply 219 times 44, it will be 9636. 9636 plus 32. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. This 6 and this 9. This is our answer. Second question of this video. Simplify. Inside bracket 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5. Divide, again bracket 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4. So first we complete this bracket work, it means parenthesis. We will LCM 2 and 5, LCM is LCM 2 and 5, this is 10, right? So 10 divided 2 is a 5, 5 times 3, 15, minus 10 divided 5, 2, 2 times 2, 4. Divide 3 and 4 LCM 12, so here is 4, and 12 divided 4 is a 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Now 15 minus 4, it will be 11, divide 10, no need this bracket closed, divide 4 plus 9 is a 13, divide 12. Now 11 divide 10, fraction divide fraction, so next fraction will be flip. Here is multiplication sign, and after flip this is 12 by 13. This 12 and 10 both are even numbers, so we can divide by 2. So here is 6 and here is 5. Finally, our answer is 11 times 6, 66. Divide 13 times 5, 65. This is our what? Answer. So I hope you have no question. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. This is improper fraction, so we cannot keep this one. 66 by 65, we can write 1, then 1 divide 65. This is a correct answer. So thank you very much being with me for SAT math practice. This is two important math we are trying to solve. My channel name is SadX. From now, every day I will publish or try to publish at least 1 or 2 math every day. So please stay with me. I hope you will learn lots of things from this channel. Thank you.